definitely recommend HydroHeat. They were absolutely fantastic when I come out. The team were brilliant.
They're very friendly, very approachable.
They were so lovely, they were so professional, so clean and tidy. I didn't have to worry, I could just let them get on with it.
It was a cold property, but since the new boiler's gone in, one, the energy bills have dropped, which is absolutely brilliant. Two, we can control now what the temperature is in the household, which we never had that before.
They're very innovative, so they're always looking for new ways to do things.
The shower's better because it's working differently. Everything is much better.
So I didn't know, if you have a bigger size property, you may need a larger boiler. So he's guiding me through the whole process of like the different types of boilers, the brands, what they do.
HydroHeat suggested that if we fitted one of the modern apps, it will be a lot more efficient, and also it gives us the ability to control it from anywhere.
I know if I've got any problems, I've only got to ring up and they'll be round or they'll explain over the phone.
The finished article is what it should be, and the quality is good.
The confidence and the trust that I got straight away pretty much made the decision for me there and then.
They ask how you're feeling, they ask if you're happy, and they want you to be happy with it. I definitely recommend them. They're my go-to, that's what I said to them.